Fermented foods aren't just trendy gut health hacks, they're survival. In some parts of the world, they aren't an option, they're a lifeline. Entire communities have relied on fermentation for generations, not just to preserve food, but to preserve life itself. Without refrigeration, without supermarkets, without modern conveniences, people turned to fermentation as a way to make their food last through harsh winters, long migrations, and unpredictable climates. It wasn't just about flavor, it was about survival. And here's the wild part: these foods didn't just keep people alive, they made them healthier. The process of fermentation takes something raw and transforms it into something packed with nutrients, probiotics, and life-saving properties. In places where fresh food wasn't available year-round, fermentation became the ultimate insurance policy. From kimchi in Korea to sauerkraut in Europe, these foods did more than fill bellies, they protected immune systems, strengthened digestion, and even boosted mental clarity long before science could explain why. But here's what's really fascinating: fermented foods weren't just about necessity, they became part of cultural identity. Families passed down secret recipes, each with its own unique twist, and these foods became symbols of resilience, tradition, and even social connection. Sharing a jar of homemade pickles or a batch of fermented fish wasn't just about food, it was about community. And there's another side to this. In modern diets, a lot of people have drifted away from these ancient superfoods, swapping them out for highly processed options. But the result? More digestive issues, weaker immune systems, and a rise in lifestyle diseases. Some cultures never abandoned their fermented staples, and the results are clear: longer lifespans, fewer gut-related issues, and an unshakable connection to their roots. So, what happens when fermentation disappears from a diet? Nutrient loss, weaker digestion, and a disconnect from centuries of wisdom. Those fizzy, funky, sometimes downright strange-smelling foods? They hold the key to something deeper: survival, tradition, and health all wrapped into one. Ever tried fermenting something yourself? It's not just a throwback to ancient times, it's a step toward reclaiming something humans have always known. Food isn't just about taste, it's about transformation. Drop a comment if fermented foods are part of your life, or if you're curious to start.